Diving into aquatic adventures, a splash into English learning. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make English learning an exciting journey. Today, we're diving deep into a thrilling topic: aquatic adventures. If you're curious about what adventures await you in the water and how to talk about them in English, you're in the right place. Let's get our feet wet and explore the meaning and usage of this fascinating phrase. First things first, let's dissect the phrase, aquatic adventures. The word, aquatic, refers to anything related to water. It can be oceans, rivers, lakes, or any body of water. The word, adventures, signifies exciting and often risky activities or experiences. When we combine these words, aquatic adventures describe thrilling and exploratory activities that take place in or on the water. Aquatic adventures can vary widely and include a range of activities. Here are a few examples to spark your imagination. Snorkeling in a coral reef to discover the vibrant marine life beneath the waves. Scuba diving to explore underwater caves or shipwrecks. Surfing giant waves for an adrenaline rush. Kayaking down a fast-moving river or in serene, glassy waters. Sailing across the open sea, navigating by the stars. Each of these activities not only offers excitement but also a unique way to connect with the natural beauty of our planet's waters. The phrase, aquatic adventures, captures our imagination for several reasons. Water is a powerful element that can be both serene and tempestuous. It represents the unknown, challenging us to step out of our comfort zones and embark on journeys of discovery. Aquatic adventures allow us to experience the majesty of nature, learn about diverse ecosystems, and even learn new skills like diving or surfing. When you talk about your experiences or dreams of aquatic adventures, you're sharing your passion for exploration and adventure. Here's how you might use the phrase in conversation. I'm planning my next aquatic adventure. I want to go scuba diving in the Great Barrier Reef. Have you ever had an aquatic adventure? Last year, I tried whitewater rafting, and it was exhilarating. These examples show how sharing your adventures can inspire others and add depth to your conversations in English. We hope this dive into aquatic adventures has been as exciting for you as it is for us. Remember, the world of English is vast and filled with fascinating phrases like this one, ready for you to explore. Whether you're dreaming of your next adventure or talking about past experiences, the language of adventure can make your stories more engaging and vivid. Keep exploring, both the language and the world around you, and share your stories with us. Until next time, happy learning, and may your adventures be grand. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more English learning videos. See you in the next adventure.